Shot to. Hi guys!
Wow, I'm gonna be on Rena's vlog.
Video ka. Send ko. Oo. Ano yan? Si Pablo. Ano ma'am? Thank you! Sure na daw!
Anong pakiramdam bumalik sa walang hanggang
Dito muna.
Nasa loob na ba sila? Next po, seated.
Siya, 108. 108. Okay. Okay, hello! Get! Go, go, go!
Maiiyak na ako, wala ko.
Careful, there's
Laki ng Philippine Arena. At muntik na ako matalisod. Video pa mo. Oh my God! Ang lapit! Ang sulit na... Wow! Thank you!
Really?
Wow! High five!
He's wearing the same skirt. You see him?
Ayan, ayan. Si Ambriel na laki. He's huge.
Dami pa tipong nagkakapot sa tabi
Try muna namin sila lahat. Grabe! I just want to say it's great to be back here, pero for our concert. Diba?
That's
So,
right.
excited ako ngayon.
18, are you ready? 18, are you ready? Wow, we are also ready for tonight. We prepared so much, and as you can see, do you guys like the stage? You're in for a treat tonight.
How excited are you guys? Are you guys excited?
Ay, parang hindi iba.
Are you guys excited?
Yes, for your information, that's why we kind of speak in English from time to time because we heard that there are fans from all over the world. So, yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir. Ay, thank you so much sa pagpunta dito. Soundcheck namin and I hope that you guys are having fun right now. Kasi meron pa kami dalawang kanta. Soundcheck para sa inyong lahat.
Alright.
Are you guys ready for the next song? Okay, this time we give you Bazinga. Let's go. No. Bazinga. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. This time we give you. It goes a little something like this.
Sing along with us.
Are you guys feeling the energy tonight? Are you excited to party with us? Yes! Do you promise to dance with us? Yes! Do you promise to sing with us? Yes! Are you sure, 18? Are you sure? Are you ready for the last song? Let's do this.
Baka di ko kayanin mo, mabalik pa sa iyo. You are my freedom. I can fly away. I'm taking you with me.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.
This is our first time to have our solo concert here in the Philippine Arena. And we're just so excited to show you what we prepared for many months. Excited ba kayo lahat? Hindi nyo alam kung ano yung mapapanood nyo sa totoo lang.
We are very excited to perform tonight for you guys. Thank you for making this dream come true. And to all international fans right now, thank you so much for coming here and experiencing Simula At Wakas with us tonight. Are you guys ready to experience Simula At Wakas? Are you guys ready?
What songs are you excited to hear?
What? Lahat daw, lahat.
Everything?
All songs? All songs? Eh, 6 lang yun eh. 6. Are you excited to hear the 6 songs? Yeah, we will perform the 6 songs.
6 songs only.
All over again.
Yes.
All over again.
Yes.
So yeah, 18, please reserve your energy, reserve your voice because mamaya mag-iingay tayo ng sobra. Okay ba yun? Mag-iingay tayo mamaya, okay?
Alright.
But for now, we need to prepare and go backstage. So see you guys later, okay?
Stay hydrated.
Mamaya,
and see
babalikan
y'all
namin
later.
kayo. Mamaya, okay? Mamaya.
Alright.
Promise.
Thank
Bye,
you guys. See you
18.
later.
Thank you all so
Rest
much.
See you later. Bye-bye. We love you. Bye.
I'm taking you with me.
Naku, magwawala tayo ngayon.
Tingnan natin. Let's see.
Bye, 18. See you later.